Nartiang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School modop ha kasibaar jeng tayo kelapan hak perdana ya kejeng rakhe ya ka Jubilee Ksiar ne kejeng dap sun post nem jong ne ka school ha ka ban ai kejeng nang jeng start ya ki khna jong ne ka than ya ka ne kejeng rakhe ya ka Jubilee Ksiar jong ka Nartiang Presbyterian High Secondary School modop lapan hap perdana do Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma Komukong San Rengkat Kejingan Lang usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Senyaw Balangdhar Chief Executive Member ke Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council uba Tombor Shiwat Utaman Basan H Kendriam Chairman Jog School Managing Committee kinohikai ki kena school bat kiwe-kiwe Hagan ni kesengi laplat padba ka kot sakan mau ne ka Golden Jubilee Souvenir bat lapani po ipiang ka ni kejing rakie leng bagi jing ruai bagi jing shat boper kibleshim bentar gi kena school bat Menteri Rangba Kejelau lapan benaru ban ai arpo lak tengka na Chief Minister's Special Development Fund ban shnapan he ka ni ka school Menteri Rangba ulong bagi ni ka school keladap sanpo snam ka jing ya lenti jongka bat kandang yai beteng ban chakri shushu akisnam ke bandang wan bat ulero bat penpau ke jing sngongo ke ni ka school ke belan no senyang chaki emlang salang Nolor kania ulong bagi pulih putih kedai kabag sarkar ka pelet jengmut bah bat ak ni snam ke belalet ke jingmang tengka ke pulih putih kalakio na ka ar hajar kelur tengka syakalah hajar sans pak kelur tengka ka belong sendan ke bahetam ha ke jela Menteri Rangba ulah kubur ya ke jing ke ban penbet renti gi skol bat penpau begladan ars pa andru gi skol ke ba dap bat biang pura kino hikai bat komba arjar tigi skol kidan san ne nyungut kino hikai na kebentatang iwei hadu san ngut ki kena skol ulong ba kejeng penbet renti kalong kebekelan namar babon kisania kejeng kamai jakpo leng ba kene kam ulong ba sarkar kena penkre ban ai ketulap ke berhenti de kebenta kino hikai ad hoc bat SSA kaban long ka jing ai jing singa ni ka kam jengki ban kentiu ketulap bagi jing mentoi hadian de kila syong that ne ka kam bar ulapan pau ke jing kimilenti bai kene ka rai ke bapura sa she maswa ka jing rake ya ka Christmas
because as you all know for any rational government or organization or department to act would be to simply close down those schools but then there are teachers who are teaching in those schools each of the teachers has got families. Their livelihood depends on that. And hence, as a government, it is our duty to look into that and protect them also. But how do we ensure that we are able to slowly and steadily rationalize the schools so that we are able to then bring in a more balanced structure among the schools? And that is exactly what we are doing today. I want to share with you on this platform, we have had 3-4 meetings in the last 1 month. Our ad hoc teachers, our SSA teachers will be happy to know that we are very close to finalizing the structured salary which the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers have been demanding. It is not just about degrees. It's about building the character. It's about the discipline, the human being that comes out after the person is educated. The faith, the belief, the fear, the love of God, the patriotism for their land, the respect for their elders, the hard work, commitment, sense of purpose. I would like to see that our education system should be able to nurture and bring out children with true character. That is real education. And therefore I say that we have a very, very long way to go. But I must compliment the Nartiang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School for the kind of contribution that you have made to society today. I'm sure that all the people involved with the school must be looking back at the last 50 years with a sense of satisfaction